Okay, here's how I meal prep red bell peppers. First, I take my cutting board and I place a slightly damp paper towel underneath. That's going to help secure the board so it doesn't slip around a lot. I like to use a sharp chef's knife. This is my Wusthof 8-inch chef's knife. I'll include a link to this below. After I've washed my bell peppers, I put them onto the cutting board like this. I turn it on its side. I use the claw like this. I don't have my fingers out like this while chopping. I have them like this, so I protect my fingers and my fingernails. Then I place the knife up to the fingers right here, and then I slide through and take off the top of the bell pepper like that. I set that part aside and I discard this. Then I can really quickly and easily remove all the seeds by simply pulling this out like that. Now there's a few extra seeds in there. I'll go through and grab those as well. You can even go like this and the remaining seeds will fall right out of the bell pepper. Okay, then I put that flat side down. I cut it in half. And then depending on how you want to chop the bell pepper, you'll turn the bell pepper a certain way. So for this preparation, I'm going to do bell pepper sticks. So I go like this and I slice down into sticks. Using the claw so that I don't cut my fingers. Okay, some people do not like this shape of the bell pepper. I personally do because I'm using this to dip for hummus, but if you don't like that shape, then you would go ahead and cut off the bottom half of the bell pepper right here. So then everything that you're cutting is nice and straight lines. Also, some people don't like this part of the bell pepper, so what you would want to do is tear or cut that off prior to slicing. So I'll show you how to do the really straight sticks. So you use the claw, you cut off the bottom part like that. Then I like to kind of almost press the whole bell pepper flat like this. And what I do like to do is turn it so that the inside is showing. I'll cut it into little sections like that. And if you want to cut off the pith, you simply go like this and remove that part. Then you can chop on this side or this side, but if you use this side, you're actually going to get a nice grip from the inside of the bell pepper. And then you have nice, beautiful sticks like this. So it just depends on what your preference is. If you're in a hurry, you can chop your bell pepper like this, or if you want perfect little matchsticks of bell pepper, you can do that technique. Now, if you want diced bell pepper, you can turn the little sticks, put them together like that, hold them together with your claw hand like this, and mince them into small, tiny pieces. So it just depends on what you're using the bell pepper for, but this is how I meal prep a bell pepper.